Hi, welcome back on our YouTube channel Kubay Design. I'm Alex, and today we're going to show you the steering wheel process from the very beginning to the very end. So as you may know, we are keen on steering wheels also as a carbon fiber parts, but many customers and people all over the world ask us on how do we make them. So let's begin. For the first of all, we use only original steering wheels from different car models. Also, we retrim them with only the high quality materials. So, for example, the first step is then we take a used one, very scratched, damaged, very slicey steering wheel. On the video you can see that it's very used. It's from Mercedes. So first of all, we untrim all the leather around the wheel. After we take off the center trim with the buttons, with the paddle shifts, so it won't annoy while working. Then it needs an anatomy changing for finger grip from behind, on the top, on the bottom of the wheel, on the sides, and that's from behind. And as the front part, we make it very soft. We can make it round because we change also anatomy, also as a geometry and maybe the shape. So we can make a flat bottom, flat top, or rounded, or even flat sides. Or we can make it like square, like flat everything. That's for customer's choice. And why do we make the anatomy? Because it's very soft and very friendly to take it to grab it in your hands with your fingers while driving. It's very ergonomic. And believe me, when you drive a car, you want to touch the steering wheel more and more. So, anatomy is finished, then it meets a carbon fiber retrimming. What does it mean? We take a pure carbon fiber genuine, type it on the top, on the bottom. It can be rounded with the carbon fiber, there are some models of them. Also the center trim, also the pedal shifts, the buttons, the airbag caps. Anything could be in a carbon fiber, but usually customers want, like in original, to have the, for example, flat top and bottom to be in carbon, gloss or matte carbon. Also, there are options with the black gloss piano. When it met the carbon fiber retrimming, we use these edges to be very clearly polished and to be perfectly and professionally cut off.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros.
The next step, when we get the steering wheel for the leather or Alcantara retrimming. When the carbon is ready and everything is like set up, we use those materials to make it stitched like there and there. And there are different like combined stitching or combined materials. It could be Alcantara with the leather combined or singly used. From the front and from behind, we pay huge details to any of the bracket, any of the edge, to each centimeter of the thread. So we can use different materials, different color of main materials like Alcantara, the front, and leather. Leather also could be soft and perforated, like this one. That's from Mercedes. So you can see we have the perforated leather. We have here the 12 o'clock stripe, red one, for example, and blue one on the top. That's for driver's possibility to match the road line. And if you have, for example, in your car model any lane assist, it will help you to match that you drive across the straight line road.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the baseline. New car.
When everything is finished, we used to complete our wheel together back for our happy customer. Let's say some additional points about the materials. For example, let's begin from the start. The material we use for anatomy is called polyurethane. It's very soft material, so when we retrim with the original genuine Alcantara or leather, it's very soft and very friendly to touch. And otherwise, the carbon fiber is very thick and it's very tough. It's very strong. It's even stronger than metal. And then when you, for example, like hit with the hammer, you will scratch only a clear coating all over the square. The carbon fiber won't be touched, believe me for sure. For example, also we can set up wheels with the pedal shifts, metallic, carbon fiber, ABS plastic, also covered with carbon or genuine, that doesn't matter, of course, by the customer's choice. In the overall conclusion, I may say you that if you want a steering wheel with the LED display, for example, or with the stock center but carbon fiber pedal sheaths or Alcantara leather combined with the carbon fiber or black gloss trim, you may also always contact us because we are keen on steering wheels. And if you have in a car that scratched and damaged steering wheel like this, and you want to receive a perfect, genuine steering wheel like this, you may always contact us. You can subscribe our channel. You can come back to our YouTube Kubay Design channel. And for sure, contact us directly. You may always subscribe, share with your friends, and technically always recommend and ask us for more. Put your likes, choose.